introduced in Rajya Sabha on Tuesday had again fallen prey to Congress party's adamancy, which resulted in repeated adjournments. The importance of the bill for the economic growth of the country is juxtaposed against the bullheadedness of the parties opposing it. How the day and the ambitious bill ended in bleak in Rajya Sabha, we get you the details in this report.
Amidst uproar and sloganeering by Congress members, the Rajya Sabha witnessed repeated adjournments on Wednesday. On Tuesday, the GST bill was introduced by the government in the Rajya Sabha, but due to continuous ruckus, it could not be taken up for debate. Wednesday brought some hope of the bill being debated, but the hopes were soon dashed as the pandemonium by the opposition stole the House yet again, and the casualty was the GST bill. When the House reconvened at 2 p.m. after being adjourned twice, the uproar continued by the Congress members who began sloganeering. Vice Chairman P.J. Kurian told the House to debate the bill, but to no avail.
Further consideration of the following motion moved by Sri Arun Jaitley on the 11th August 2015, that the bill further to amend the Constitution of India as passed by Lok Sabha and as reported by Select Committee of Rajya Sabha be taken into consideration.
Finance Minister Arun Jaitley stood up to speak on the bill, but he could not owing to continuous uproar. The government has said that the failure of crucial bills getting passed will hamper the economic development of the country.
जो लोग अपने आप को गरीबों का दोस्त कहते हैं, लेकिन सुधार होने नहीं देते ताकि विकास ना हो, वो सचमुच में गरीब के खिलाफ षड्यंत्र करते हैं.
Congress is alleging not enough time being given for the bill as the reason for not letting the bill passed, whereas the government has said it is ready to debate the bill and even put it to vote.
जीएसटी बिल तो पहले मैंने आपको कहा कि वो पास होने का कोई सवाल ही नहीं उठता है.
देश में एक सुषम टैक्स रिजिम नहीं आनी चाहिए. किस चीज से कांग्रेस भाग रही है? कांग्रेस पार्टी दिवालिया हो चुका है.
Congress may have stalled the important legislation, but other parties say it is an important bill and want it to be passed soon.
This entire session, monsoon session, there are so many important bills out there. It will be very good for the country, like GST and real estate bill. All these bills are very important bills.
GST is a constitutional amendment bill and thus requires two-thirds majority. BJP has 48 members in the Rajya Sabha and has the support of 120 MPs, but it needs the support of 165 MPs. GST is being looked at as an important step forward in economic reform. The government aims to implement it from 1st April 2016, but in view of the continuous ruckus, that seems unlikely. With Parliament team, News Night Desk, DD News.